Hello, this is Jonavar. This is a MUMHO. What is a MUMHO? You've probably never heard of this word before. I'll show you what it is. It's a grain of, not just grain of rice, but it's a grain of cooked rice. Now, MUMHO, you can find MUMHO on your spoon, your dinner plate, on your dinner table, and they're especially annoying on the kitchen sink. So you can almost hear your dishwasher, which can be your mom, your grandmom, or even yourself getting annoyed by these MUMHO appearing on your kitchen sink. It's a no-no to wash them down the drain, or else your sink will get stuck with a lot of rice in there. So I decided to discuss to you things pertaining to rice, cooked rice that is. This one is 1 hungit of rice. The act of putting something, especially food, into your mouth. So that's hungit, that's the verb. And the thing that you're putting into your mouth is hungit. So that's 1 hungit of rice. But if you take your food by way of hand and in one like this, it's called hamal. So hamal is something like this. Pick your food with your hand and to eat is called kaon. Kaunta? Now, I only heard of this from my mom, especially when I would eat fried fish and the bone of the fish would stick against my throat, so that's trouble. So one solution to that is to down it with a ball of rice. You down it so that the bone, the sticky bone that's sticking on your throat, would come down together with this. You have to down it in one. So this is called PIGHOL. Sometimes I've heard of this being called PIGHOL. So PIGHOL or PIGHOL. The rice, cooked rice, is called kanon. Hand in Ilonggo is called kamot. And the way of eating Filipino food, Filipino style by hand, is called kinamot in Ilonggo. So, you pick up the food. This is 1 pujot, and you hamal it. Well, I dropped my spoon. Let me get it. We also have this Ilonggo superstition that if you drop a spoon while you're eating, it means that a female guest is coming. And if you drop a fork, a female visitor is coming. If you drop both, then expect a male and a female visitor coming. Well, most times it's not true. But I think I'm expecting a female guest tonight. We'll see. So, watch this video up to the very end if indeed I will have a female guest. So that's our Ilonggo word for today. MUMHO, for that single grain of rice, which by the way I have a lot of. So these are MUMHO, and 1 hungit of rice, which is a spoonful of rice, and the ball of kanon is called a PIGHOL. This is Jonavar, and until our next video, see you next time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye! Arrived! Catherine! Yay! Welcome to our new place.
Yay!
Well, I'm here with my guest for tonight, Catherine. Welcome, Catherine. Hi, bye.